Patricia Liu has sunk her life savings into gold. To her, it seemed a foolproof investment. She's bought gold from a private limited company and is paid a monthly return of between 1.5% and 2.5% a month, on top of holding on to actual physical gold.
Why do I bother to buy from an institution or a bank where that's it, I buy the gold bar and I keep it, and it does nothing for me. It just stays in the safe, and I have to wait for it to appreciate before I can finally sell it.
But the payment stopped when officials from the central bank and other agencies raided the company and 3 others in early October. Their assets remain frozen, and the companies are now under investigation for suspected offences, including running illegal financial schemes and money laundering. The central bank says it suspects the returns promised are not funded through gold trading, but from the monies invested into such schemes. But the raids conducted by the central bank have also raised more questions, such as why were these companies allowed to operate in the first place? And why was there so little financial oversight of their operations? Gold trading is unregulated in Malaysia, and according to the central bank, more than 20 so-called gold investment companies are involved in making unauthorized transactions. They've been blacklisted, but tens of thousands of people have already sunk their money into these companies. It's easy to see why gold appeals. In the last 5 years, its value has gone up nearly 123%. But those monthly interest payments make investment consultants wary. They say they would be cautious about any scheme that pays returns of around 20% a year.
On the long term sense, if you're getting 10, 12%, sometimes 15%, you're considered to be very, very good because it's really not that easy to just get this sort of return year in, year out.
But it may just be that as long as there's money to be made, there will be people who buy into any story, even if it seems too good to be true. Florence, Looi, Al Jazeera, Kuala Lumpur.